Hi guys, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, whatever time is it there. Today I'm going to tour you guys to a garden center around our place so that you could see how or what are the plants that we could see here in our place. So I went to one, two, three, I think three garden center and my auntie's garden. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys my auntie's garden and three garden centers. So let's go. This is a garden center near the mall in our place, and as you can see, there is not much succulents around here. Mostly there are tropical plants like bougainvillea or calachuchi or other tropical plants. I'm not really familiar with their names, but yeah, most of the plants here are tropical plants. This is another garden center near my workplace. I see this every day. Every time I go to work or come home, I always look at this place. Okay, so most of the plants here, as you can see, is bougainvillea. I'm going to buy a white one. I'm gonna bring it home, so I'm just gonna choose here. But before we buy one, I'm gonna look around the place. I'm gonna tour you guys around so you could see the plants that they have here and some of the other things that they have. So this is the bougainvillea that I bought, and as you can see over there, they also have some chairs for garden and big pots. So this is a good place to buy some plants. This is another small garden center near our house. Now, right after this, we're gonna go to my tita's house. So here is my tita's house, and you can see all of her beautiful and colorful plants. I really like the red one. It's so beautiful. Some bougainvilleas. They have a lot of bougainvilleas around here. And it looks like cherry blossom at some point. If you're very far and you could see it, you would think it's cherry blossom. But it's actually bougainvilleas. They have very beautiful plants here. So I hope you like my video and have a good day and happy planting. I hope I encourage you guys to have more plants, more and more. Thank you.